Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to use a GrabFood voucher code step by step in 2026. Don't worry if you're new to Grab or GrabFood. I'll explain everything in simple language. Let's get started. What is a GrabFood voucher code? A voucher code is a special code you enter in the GrabFood app to get discounts, cashback, free delivery, and other offers. These codes help you save money on your food orders. Step 1. Open the Grab app. First, unlock your phone and open the Grab app. Make sure you are logged in. If not, log in using your phone number. Now, tap on GrabFood. Step 2. Choose your food. Browse the restaurants and food options. Tap on the items you want to order. Once you're done, tap View Cart. Step 3. Apply voucher code. In the cart screen, look for Add Promo, Voucher, or Enter Code, usually near the total price. Tap on it. Now type or paste your voucher code exactly as you received it. Tap Apply. If the code is valid, you'll see a discount applied, or free delivery, or any offer shown. Make sure the discount is reflected in your total before paying. Step 4. Complete the order. Once the voucher is applied, choose your payment method, credit or debit card, GrabPay, or cash if available. Now tap Checkout or Place Order. Your order will be confirmed and your voucher discount will be used. Important tips. Voucher codes are case sensitive, so type them exactly. Some codes only work on minimum orders. Check the expiry date before using. Some offers are region-specific. They may not work everywhere. So that's how you use a GrabFood voucher code in 2026. Quick, easy, and beginner-friendly. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. If you have questions, comment below and I'll help you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.